about CSCW. I'm actually going back in time because um, I want to show the positives and negatives about this stock and how its like kind of stock price behavior has been going. So if you already know, if you're already aware, like it shot up on the last trading day, which is December 24th. It shot up, went from 0.53 all the way up to 0.89, and then it started to fall a bit. So I'm actually thinking that maybe if there's a doji here, it will fall. And then maybe we can pick it up when it starts showing some more support. I think it's worth picking up in that scenario. And the reason why I'm not super duper bullish about it is like this is a similar kind of, what is it called, parabolic rise, I guess. And over here there was an offering, so it just completely fell. And then this is the most interesting part that I want to talk about. So good news came out. And it continued to drop, which freaks me out. So you can't rely on news. You gotta place some importance on technicals. Yeah. So I will go over that later. But yeah. So from September 1st to September 11th, it just kept falling. So from August 28th to September 1st, it was rising, and that's because they had this news. I'll show it to you right here. ColorStar Technology announces collaboration with Red Phoenix Entertainment to strategically expand into sports education. So I mean, like, this is kind of like it's positive news. Then on September 2nd, it says ColorStar Technology Company Limited announces entry into strategic agreement with China Korea Culture and Art Exchange Association, expanding its online star education services globally. Like, that's not bad. There's nothing bad about this. I could open it up and we could look at it, but really it's pretty short. I wonder, maybe there's some dollar amounts. Generally, like if we see some $1 million amounts, we can rationalize the rise. Nothing. Like, I mean, I guess because it's kind of, it seems like, no. I mean, it's the same sort of thing. And it didn't work the second time. Didn't work the second time. It fell. It fell, okay. And then they come out with another press release. Announces successful product launching conference in Beijing, creating multicultural sharing platform, accelerating entertainment technology. Nothing. Not good. Didn't matter. You know what? I have a feeling maybe it was just burnt out. Like RSI, look at RSI. It was at 97. So at that point, it's not sustainable, I guess. I don't know. I don't know why it dropped, but that to me, I don't know. I guess it wasn't sustainable, the rise. Let's move on. Okay, so it says ColorStar Technology announces lineup of its Fearless Color World Cloud concert. Like, this is kind of fluff. I don't know, a concert. I mean, that's just like one little tiny service or product that they have in their app, right? And at this time, I think they're getting ready for maybe Chinese launch of their app. I don't remember the exact date of it, but let's see. Did I get rid of it? No, I didn't. They launched on September 10th. The Chinese app launched on September 10th. This is good to know because how is it going to react when they launch on an international scale or on an English scale? I would like to know. So they launched on September 10th. It went up. It had, like, you know, some like minor uptrend movement, and then after the offering, gone. That's sad. That's sad. Well, I mean, I guess we can, you know what? There's a lot of computer trading, and this stuff does not happen slowly. Like, these drops are vicious. They happen fast. What I would say is, like, look out for volatility. When you see volatility is low, get out. Like, that's just like, or get in, because, like, if it's in a downtrend, when volatility is low, you can get in, and then maybe take some profit. But Yeah, so volatility was low here. It looked like there's some support. It went up, which is great. Super trend, I mean, couldn't do anything here. It was like kind of destined for like a fall. It went up a bit, but then again, eventually fell. And then yeah, the news has an impact for sure. It just, I'm very surprised to see that there wasn't much negative news, and it just kept falling. I wonder if there's any more. So, okay, so September 14th. This is after. So that was the direct offering, September 16th. So let's go back. This was September 16th. That's where the direct offering was. Direct offering, not necessarily a good thing. But that Color World announces debut of Color World app after its online concert becomes part of music history. Debut of Color World app. That was good. That was good. That was the 14th. It went from 0.71 to 0.8258. I won't bother to go through this. I feel like it's hard to analyze. I mean, I can. I would say that definitely use another indicator when you're using Supertrend. I would say for the algorithms, when it's such a clear uptrend like this, you can be lazy. You can set it to 1 and 2. You can lower the sensitivity, and then you can just have like a few buy and sell signals, as opposed to like trying to judge the slope of all the trade signals, because these are probably those are probably good trade signals, but you know, lazy ones and a little more risky, 0.55 to 0.68, and then 0.6547 to 0.6782. It's like 4 significant digits here. I think I'll only use the first two, or maybe no. Yeah, I'll only use the first two. 0.65 to 0.67, and then it just kind of uses this. It has this downward pattern, and it's interesting because there's actually strong sell signals and strong buy signals happening. So I would listen to all of these. Oh, it's not funny because I set the setting to that. Oops. But anyways, yeah, so buy here, sell here, buy here. Like, this is an amazing trade, and this is a pretty amazing trade if you were to use this toolbox or algo signals. I mean, other people have algo signals. I'm sure that PMG has their own, and also the Vision guys have their own algo signals. But this is mine, and it works pretty damn well. It's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, this isn't the greatest trade, but keep in mind, it's gonna work better on like a longer term trend, and also the sensitivity is low right now. If I were to increase the sensitivity to like 4 and 4, it'll show me basically like, for me, I feel like it shows me like pretty much perfect trades. So like it'll say buy here, sell here, roughly. It actually goes very well with Heiken Ashi. So buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And then I would say like judge the angle of the trades. So if you see like this sort of angle, you can actually take the buys more seriously than the sells. And yeah, and then you see here that the signals are falling down. Now you should take the sells more seriously. So let's say you sell at 0.86, it drops, and then you get like a strong sell signal over here. But then, yeah, you could also buy over here too, even though this is a riskier buy, and then it goes up and whatnot. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I think the key takeaway from this video is I want you guys to understand that like positive news is not everything. Technicals, I think, will trump positive news, but at the same time, like there's, of course, there's value in news. It's just like you really have to get good at judging the quality of news, and you also have to get good at your technicals as well, because like the two and go hand in hand. Like it was very, very unusual to see. Well, not unusual, but it's more like it was weird to see that they kept coming out with positive news, and the stock kept dropping. So that's all I have to say about that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out. Take care.